Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet. To those who are new and to those who've been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. And to those who watch my videos without subscribing, what are you waiting for? It's your time to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified every time I upload. And also like my videos and comment down below. I would really love to hear what you feel about my videos and also what you'd want me to make, right? Or what you want to see in my videos. We all know that it is a culture in this family to unbox. Hey, so it's time to do that. So today I just only have this small package. As you can see, this is the package which I have. And guys, shipping agents are becoming expensive by the day. I did pay 115 United States dollars for this small package in order for me to get it here. And also, well, this one, the smallest package which I have here, it was shades. I've sold most of them. It was 10 bucks. This was a bit cheaper because I think it was light as well. So I'll just start with this. Though I had opened this one, I'll just start with these and just show you how they look like. If you'd want to place an order for these, or if you want this type of shades, please do hit me up on my DM. These are quite cute and they are quite affordable. They are 10 US dollars. And also what I can say is the quality is very nice. I like them. Let me just show you how they look like. I mean, they just give you that, you know, you need to just, they give you that, right? So I did purchase these. They're quite nice and the quality, I really love it. They came in different colors. I'll also just insert a picture for you to see different colors of this type of shades which I have, but I've run out. I'm only left with white and black. Let me just show you the black. I love the black as well because it has this other tint which it's tinted actually, which gives it, you see what I mean? Ooh, I love that it's tinted. I love that it looks, it's big, it's tinted. They're bougie as well. So these are really nice. I love them, guys. I love them, but I can't buy the whole shop. I can't buy the whole shop, eh? So yeah, these are some of the things which I bought and which came earlier, so I decided to just show you. So for all this package, for all the package, I paid for all of this I paid $125. So if you have any shipping agent, you know who's cheaper, guys, because we're working for shipping agents here. We're working for shipping agents, but they're quite fast. I love that this shipping agent is really quite fast. They take less time to bring in your goods. They take in less time to bring in your goods, so which is very good. So moving on to the big package. The big package is actually my the long jerseys which I purchased. So So let's get into it. I feel like I've touched most of the areas which you might need assistance with in terms of shopping on Alibaba, and also in terms of getting a shipping agent. So if you feel I haven't touched much of the things which you'd want to know, please hit me up on a video which you'd want me to do. And also, I'm so happy, guys. There are people who purchased using my shipping agent, and also who used the methods which I told you, and they've actually received their goods. About 2 to 3 people who actually have received, and also some who are waiting for their consignments. I'm just so excited about them, and I'm excited that these videos are actually helping out people. One of them is actually a YouTuber. She's called NoeLorraine. She's from Chinoy. I've never met her before, so she actually used my methods, and I'm just happy for her, and I'm excited for her whatever she bought. If you can, I'll leave her YouTube handle in order for you to also just subscribe to her channel and follow her. She actually drops cool videos and nice content on the way of life in Zimbabwe, in Chinoy. So if you could go there and get to see what she has for you. So yeah. After a long struggle, so this is what I have. Oh, Jesus. So all these jerseys weigh 6.6 kgs, and I had to pay 115 for them. I'm hoping the quality is good, guys. I'm hoping the quality is as good, because you child. Why? I always feel these jerseys are very short. They look shorter than the picture. They're not bad. I don't think they're bad, but they're short. They're not long. I get that Chinese are short, but then they should make them longer as in the videos and the pictures. But yeah, this is the gray one. I'll try putting it on so that you can see what I mean about that. What's the gray one? Did I order purple? This looks like a different color from the one I ordered. I don't think I ordered purple. Looks like a purple. This looks like a purple. Okay, I'll be back from that color. Okay, I did order a green, and this green looks nice. The green looks nice. And then I did order this type. This maroon looks nice. It's like a red. Does look different. This color does look different from the picture. Okay, when you open it, it looks nice. Yeah, when you open it, it's actually beautiful. It's actually nicer. I think it's nice when you open it. Yeah, so these are what I ordered, and this is what I ordered. Some of the things which I ordered for winter already came, you know about them. I did some videos. I did about 2 videos of the things which I ordered for winter, and I don't think I'll order more things for winter unless if someone has an order for winter, because I feel African winter lasts less. Our winter is very short. I feel our winter is very short, so I won't order more. I think this is enough. I still have some tracksuits to sell, so yeah. And that's it for my winter collection. So I'll just show you how the jersey looks like before I go. So the jersey does feel lighter than the way it looks on the picture. I don't want to lie. And then the length, I think because I'm short, as you can see on the picture, it looks long because I'm short. But then with some people who are taller and a bit bigger than me, it will obviously look like a 3/4 because it's not that long as I expected. It has a room for other people to fit. Yeah, the quality is not bad, but then it's not as good as in the picture, which I would have loved for it to be almost like what I saw on the picture. But overall, I can say they're not so bad. They're not bad. And this color is sort of like a purple instead of the color which they advertised. I know with colors it can be tricky because, you know, they do take pictures and they edit those pictures, so it becomes different. But then yeah, these are actually quite cool and nice for you to wear during your autumn and winter in Zimbabwe, because our winter is not so dramatic and drastic like other places. So yeah, this is it from me. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends to tell their friends, tell your aunties to tell their aunties to subscribe to this channel. And please do give me suggestions of other things you might want me to talk about in our unboxing. Okay, cheers.